basic introduction to how to use Zoho Tasks within Zoho Projects. First thing you want to do is make sure you're signed in on the correct account because Gmail and Zoho Projects aren't synchronized, so you can be signed in under one account in Gmail but under a different account in Zoho Projects. And that does not include the problems associated with multiple sign-in. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new task list. I'm gonna add a task. I'm gonna assign it to myself because I assign it to multiple people. You cannot assign it to multiple people all at once. You have to do it manually, unfortunately. So you can put the start date and end dates. The priority is pretty important, and add the Google Calendar, and you can send an email notification. So once I do that, you check your email, refresh it, and it should be, yeah, here it is with the important information. And also if you go to your Google Calendar and you reload, it should show up momentarily. This is the current under my Zoho calendar, and so it should take a while. It might take a while to refresh. But here it is, 5 months for Joseph. Once you complete the task, it'll actually still remain in Google Calendar, so you have to manually delete it if you want to do that. So you can also here filter the tasks by the ones that are relevant to you, and also those that have already been completed or are still open, etc. These are the ones that I still need to do. There's also various ways of viewing tasks and different. You could use the gang view. It's for all the tasks that have a specified start and end date. You can see graphically in the form of bar charts where they start and end, and it's helpful to give yourself an idea of what you need to get done in the next few days. And so in this case I have quite a few things. And then you also can look at task reports, which give you an idea of how much open tasks and closed tasks have been completed by each person in the given project. Once you're done with the project, with the task, you can close it, and it's marked as complete, and it no longer shows up here because these are within your task. It defaults to just showing the open tasks, but if you do want to show the task that's been completed, you can click to change the filtering to all and see this task which has already been completed. And also note that the event here, your task will remain on Google Calendar. So it adds the task, but it doesn't remove the task.